See as carabiner they trace Percy with internet. My country people, they say Italy not the work. Italy system not the work, carabiner not the work. Yes, so, but if they want work on your matter, they go fit use 1 year work on it. According to this story, my country people, this woman, the first thing they all need to do, they all first cut the internet. Now leak them, now that they use. After they don't cut her now, then they try to verify what happen. Now carabiner based them. Say, una Wi-Fi don't rob Italy 60,000 euro. Now they say Wi-Fi. How come? They arrest the woman, go talk for carabiner office. Carry her husband Junior, go talk for carabiner office. As the regional my country people, they don't trace. They can't trace the phone. They can't see. Now the person when they pull for one room, now he do this thing. Chuku Emeka, then they say that they call her. This person, as you speak now, he don't cross border, he don't dey Naija. As money enter in hand, now he buy tickets, come on for Italy, come on for Europe. He dey Naija as you speak now with 60,000 euro. Internet, then they take trace. So those of you now when they own a hotspot for outside, be careful. Those of you now when they put person for house when you dey, be careful. Those of now when they use on our internet, they do many things for this Europe. Be careful, because to trace you with your phone when they use, it's not hard. My country people, this Europe, many things they happen now.